yourself today.
Really? How do I look?
You look wounded. Your eyes are big and sad. Would you rather be dancing with her?
With Kate?
Unless you've got a soft spot for Susan, too.
I'm perfectly happy dancing with you.
You're a beautiful liar. Well, that looks good. Will you wait for me?
We'll lose them.
Good. Where did they go?
They're probably waiting for us back at the fountain. I thought I lost you tonight.
No.
It's the first time I didn't feel sorry for her. She was so happy dancing with you. I need to leave you alone with her.
What are you talking about?
What we were talking about before. Don't look at me like that. You thought the same things.
You want me to seduce a dying girl? And you really think she'll just leave me all her money?
Yes,
Why?
because I know her. I know how she loves.
And how do you love? Show me how you love.
I don't understand.
If you don't understand me, then I don't understand you.